Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upload photos or videos in your Amazon Photos account. Now let's begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to your account. The button's at the top right and it's labeled as Accounts and List. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you can see, there are multiple options. But what you guys have to do is simply scroll down till you see something like Digital Content and Devices. And in this tab, if you look down, here's something called as Manage Amazon Drive and Photos. Click on it right now. From here, you will be redirected to this page. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply click on the logo at the top left, and then you'll be redirected to Amazon Photos. Now let's just try to upload anything. In the nav bar, you can see something like Add. It has a plus icon to it. Simply click on it. Then it's gonna give you a few options whether you want to upload photos, upload folder, or simply create an album. Right now I want to upload photos, so I'm gonna click on the button right there. Now select the photo of your choice. I'm gonna select this one and just hit on open. And guys, as you can see, the photo is being uploaded. The speed might depend upon your internet speed. And guys, as you can see, the photo has been uploaded. That's it guys. Likewise, you can upload videos as well. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.